Are you ready to supercharge your child's future? In the age of AI, just relying on academic skills won't set them apart. Your kids deserve more. Skills that machines cannot imitate. Welcome to LogiQminds. Here, we don't just focus on academic, math, science, and standardized tests. We also prepare your kids with essential future-ready skills: communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. We have crafted our specialized curriculum with insights from Ivy League leadership courses. But wait, there is more. LogiQminds is backed by a founder from Wharton, and we have curriculum advisors from both Wharton and Columbia Business Schools. LogiQminds is a powerhouse of excellence in shaping futures. So, how does this work? It starts with an initial assessment, a written test, and a friendly interview with our experienced staff for a comprehensive evaluation tailored to your child's grade level. With the insights we gain on the strengths and areas that require nurturing, we set targets. You're all set. From there, our certified teachers will embark on honing those skills, partnering with you, while keeping you apprised every quarter. Don't miss out. Enroll in LogiQminds now. We have limited seats, max 8 spots for every grade. Our premium studios are right in your neighborhood, just 5 minutes from Monroe. Don't wait. Enroll your child in LogiQminds and make them future ready.